Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair, guys. Our mission here at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos, guys. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair, guys. Thank you guys for watching us. Today we will cover codes P0301 all the way until P0308. So if you have a car, guys, that is a 4-cylinder, okay, you might expect the code until P0304, like this Audi. The last code of the last digit of the code is the number of the cylinder, guys, and it says misfire detected, cylinder number 1, 2, 3, 4, and so forth and so on. So let's say if you have a misfire on cylinder number 3, it's going to say P0303. And that relates to any vehicle. We'll show you guys the code and how to fix that. Okay, let's start this Mercedes now quick, and you'll feel how it has a misfire. Okay. You can feel it. It has a little bit of misfire. And the engine light is on. So what we're going to do now, guys, I'm going to turn the engine off, turn the ignition on, and we'll scan the system quick, okay, to see what exactly we get now. Okay, so we'll wait to connect for a second and we'll get to the code and how to fix it. Okay guys, we have one code found, so let's go ahead and read the code. That's what we got. P0303, cylinder 3 misfire detected. So we're going to open the hood, guys, and we're going to find cylinder number 3, okay, on this Mercedes right here. So we'll pull the engine cover up, and I'm going to show you where the ignition coils are on your car and spark plugs and all that stuff. So cylinder number 3, guys, it should be this one, okay, right here, because that's how Mercedes does those. And we actually even had only a loose connection right here. This one doesn't go all the way down. So you need to make sure, okay, you see, that thing is broken here. And the ignition coil cannot be locked in place. As a result, you're going to hit a bump or something. It should be like that, not being able to pull out. So always check wires, okay. Another possibility is ignition coil, but sometimes for ignition coil you have a code P0353 or so, corresponding to the cylinder. Another thing is spark plugs, guys. Always check the spark plugs, because if they're old spark plugs you can have random misfires. Okay, so we're going to put the engine cover on, clear the code, and see if it's going to come back. Stay with us to see if that fixed the problem. So obviously we'll need to fix the wire end on the ignition coil there. Okay, so what we're going to do, we'll go ahead to erase codes. Okay, right here, confirm. Please wait, erase done. So we need to turn the ignition off. Let's start it again. Okay, no engine light, car runs really good. Okay, it feels good. Yep, no engine light, so that's good, guys. That fixed the problem. So always check ignition coils, cables, wires, and spark plugs for those codes. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe. So guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Now check out our YouTube channels, guys. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time.